Hello, I'm Sean West and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you today how to build a montage of 9 images on an A3 sheet of paper. We're going to do that in Photoshop Elements version 6, and first of all we have our 9 images and we've opened them in Camera Raw 4.3.1. Let me blow this window up so you can see it a little more. Okay, so we have our 9 images right down here. You can flick through the images if you need to, so you can see each one. But we don't need to do that at the moment. The very first thing we need to do is adjust the white balance. And let's go to the first image on the left here, and we select all. We select all because whatever changes we make to the first image will be reflected in the images thereafter. So any attributes that the first one takes on, all the others will take on the very same attributes, which is a big time saver. So what we need to do is find the white balance, the neutral point of the photograph, and we're going to do it right here. This is a pretty neutral point, this neutral grey here. So we click that, alters the white balance. If you have a look at these settings here, exposure, recovery, fill light, blacks, brightness and contrast, if you're out by a little bit, a couple of points here and there, don't worry about it. This is personal preference. Get the white balance that you're comfortable with, and it should work out just fine. Okay, so once we've sorted out the white balance, let's open the images in Photoshop Elements 6. This may take a little bit of time, so we'll take a break here while they open and we'll come back. Okay, welcome back. That took a couple of minutes to actually open all of those 9 DNG files. So what we're going to do now is sort out our crop dimensions, because we're going to crop in to an absolute square. We're going to do that 9 times. I'm going to do it to the first one. Let's see, let's pick this one right here. The best thing to do is to actually see it so that you can see some of the canvas around here. And we're going to do each one at 8 centimeters. So in the box at the top, the aspect ratio, it will change automatically to custom. Put 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters. And then the resolution we're going to set to 240 pixels per square inch. Okay, once those settings are in, we are safe to go ahead and choose our crop tool. Hold down your shift key and drag a square. This is our crop. So get it nice and tight. This is quite an easy one to start with. So what we want to do is make sure we get the guitar, the hand. It doesn't matter that we're cropping the foot off there. We're getting the general idea. And then once we're happy with the dimensions of the crop, we go ahead and commit current operation, which is the tick down here, or alternatively just press your enter button. Okay, it'll go very small, don't worry about that. Down here you can see it's 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters, 240 ppi. So let's bring that up so we can see it again by using Command plus button or a Control plus on a PC, and there we go, 100% DNG. Okay, you need to do that 9 times. I'm just going to show you a very quick alternative. Let's pick one of these down here. I think the best one to use is this one. Now, let's just see this a little bit better. What do we do if we crop in, but actually we want to see a little bit more of that? We want to go outside the canvas. Well, what we do is we hold Shift down and the Alt key. Shift and Alt and drag a little bit more, and you can see that we go outside of the canvas and we can get more of the head here, and we can see this guy's chin. Okay, let's commit to that, and there we have another crop. Now you can see what I've done wrong there. I'll say I did it wrong on purpose, but actually I forgot to change the background. Make sure your background is white. Now I can easily rectify this by going to the paint bucket and painting these two white. But actually what you want to do in the first place is make sure that when you crop outside of the canvas that your background is set to white. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video.